Hey everyone, Rano Rocky here, live now with Ruru Madrid.
Yes.
And Ruru is one of the guests here at the Farm Film Festival.
What's
yes,
up, guys?
Ruru, marami na nag-aabang sa inyo ni Gabby Garcia. So meron ba kayong upcoming shows?
Right now, Encantadia just ended about 2 months ago, and right now I am joining Alias Robin Hood. Pero without Gabby, sadly. Pero
Sinong kalab di mo dito sa
well, so far wala. So far wala akong ka-pair dito, and siguro GM is trying to, you know, to build us up na parang alam mo yun, na yung inyong pagiging individual namin,
Yes.
ma-boost din, and matuto rin kami tumayo sa sarili namin. Pero of course,
Pero
Sunday
fans
Pinasaya.
are looking forward sa inyo. Actually,
Yeah.
nangihinaya nga sila dun sa Encantadia din na dapat nagkatuluyan daw kayo. And looking forward daw sa more movies and projects.
Yeah, I hope so. I'm hoping to. Pero ayun nga, every Sunday naman, Sunday Pinasaya, I'm with Gabby.
Yes.
For sure, kikiligin pa rin kayo. And ayun, sana rin, I'm praying also na maka-work ulit si Gab.
Yes.
Of course, into teleserye para mas mahaba or sa movie. So, ayun, pray lang.
Yes.
And kapit lang yung mga
Yun
Gab
nga,
rules.
may movies ka ba na aside from Alias Loving Hood Season 2, do you have upcoming movies ba?
Well,
Or
right now,
album?
I'm focusing on Alias Robin Hood pa. Pero, nakausap kay manager ko, Direk Mario, and he's planning to make a movie
Yes.
this year.
With Gabby or another?
It's a heavy drama movie, so I don't know kung Gabby's will be part of it. Pero sana, di ba? Why not? Why not?
Okay. Thank you, Rulu.
Thank you
And
so much.
see you sa mga upcoming event.
Thank you.
Thank you.